Kit Kat, the crispy, chocolatey delight with a signature taste loved by millions around the world. Beneath its iconic red wrapper lies a fascinating and precise production process. Have you ever wondered what makes Kit Kat so irresistibly delicious? Today, join us on an incredible journey as we explore how this beloved treat is crafted in one of the world's largest chocolate factories, where over 8 million bars are produced every single day. This sweet adventure is bound to leave you amazed. The journey of Kit Kat's exquisite chocolate flavor begins in the lush cocoa fields of West Africa, where endless rows of cocoa trees thrive under the tropical sun. In July, as the ripe cocoa pods glisten in the heat, dedicated farmers begin their labor-intensive harvest, marking the first step in bringing this iconic treat to life. With great care, farmers meticulously handpick each ripe cocoa pod, ensuring the precious beans inside remain unharmed. Every motion reflects their deep respect and pride in their work. Once harvested, skilled workers swiftly crack open the pods, revealing the prized cocoa beans within. Each plump bean, embodying the essence of nature, is delicately handled and carefully spread out on large drying mats under the blazing tropical sun. Over the next 8 days, these beans undergo a natural drying process, gradually losing moisture as their outer shells harden, locking in the rich, chocolatey flavor. Before making their way to the production facility, the raw cocoa beans undergo a rigorous quality inspection to ensure they meet the highest standards. The process begins with a moisture check, ensuring each bean has dried to perfection, preventing any risk of mold. Next, their size and texture are carefully examined, with any underdeveloped or undersized beans being removed. Finally, a team of experts performs a scent test, ensuring that each batch carries the signature exquisite aroma that makes Kit Kat so special. Once approved, the cocoa beans arrive at the state-of-the-art factory, where they undergo a 3-hour transformation process, setting the stage for their journey into becoming the delicious treat we all love. The journey begins with meticulous cleaning, where every trace of dirt and residual cocoa shells is carefully removed. Workers empty sacks of raw cocoa beans onto massive conveyor systems, which transport them to the cleaning station. Inside a sealed, specially designed rotating drum, the beans gently tumble and rub against each other as the drum spins, loosening their stubborn outer shells. At the same time, powerful air jets blow away any lingering dust and debris, leaving the beans pristine and spotless, fully prepared for the next stage. Now, the cocoa beans face the ultimate fire challenge, where their hidden flavors are awakened. Each batch is placed into a large roasting machine, much like coffee beans. Achieving the perfect roast requires precise temperature control and timing, a closely guarded secret of expert chocolatiers. Even the slightest variation can significantly alter the final chocolate flavor. After enduring the intense fire challenge, the freshly roasted cocoa beans are now ready for the next step in their remarkable transformation. Now, bursting with rich aroma, the roasted cocoa beans enter their transformative phase. They are fed into a massive grinder, where they are crushed to unlock their deep, intense flavors. As the beans break apart, they blend together, gradually forming a smooth, thick cocoa paste. This paste then moves to a hydraulic press, where every last drop of cocoa butter is extracted. What remains is a collection of pure cocoa cakes, each weighing approximately 7 kilograms. These cakes embody the essence of cocoa, packed with a bold and captivating aroma. The cocoa cakes are then finely ground into a delicate powder, an essential ingredient in creating Kit Kat's signature chocolate flavor. This fine cocoa powder is carefully blended with sugar, milk powder, pure cocoa butter, emulsifiers, and other secret ingredients. A precise formula that remains one of Nestlé's most closely guarded recipes. Inside a massive multi-ton mixing machine, the ingredients blend rhythmically, churning continuously until they transform into a thick, velvety chocolate mass. Next comes the art of conching, a crucial refining process that grinds the chocolate particles down to microscopic sizes, ensuring they melt instantly on the tongue. The longer the chocolate undergoes conching, the smoother, silkier, and more refined its texture and flavor become. Finally, the liquid chocolate undergoes a crucial process known as tempering. Its temperature is carefully cycled up and down, ensuring it melts completely before gradually cooling to 81 degrees Fahrenheit. This prevents the formation of unwanted crystals, keeping the chocolate silky smooth, glossy, and irresistibly appealing. If chocolate is the soul of Kit Kat, then the crispy wafer layers are its heart, delivering that signature light, airy crunch in every bite. Crafting this delicate heart requires just as much precision. It all begins with carefully selected ingredients: refined wheat flour, purified water, sweet sugar, vegetable fats, and a pinch of salt to enhance the flavor. But the true magic lies in a special leavening agent, the secret behind the wafer's irresistibly light and crispy texture. These ingredients are blended inside a massive industrial mixer, spinning rhythmically with vibrant energy. As it churns, the wheat flour melds seamlessly with the other ingredients, gradually transforming into a smooth, thick batter, the very foundation of Kit Kat's iconic crunch. Once the batter is ready, smooth, creamy streams of it are pumped into rectangular baking molds through ultra-precise nozzles. These nozzles ensure each mold receives the exact same amount of batter, creating wafer layers with perfect thickness and consistency. The molds are then heated to high temperatures, ranging from 350 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit for just 30 seconds. This intense heat quickly bakes the wafers, giving them their signature crisp texture while sealing in the delicious flavors within each delicate layer. Once baked to perfection, the wafers are transferred to the cooling area, where gentle streams of cool air gradually lower their temperature. This step is crucial. It helps the wafers retain their crispiness while ensuring that the chocolate coating won't melt when applied. Meanwhile, as the wafer layers cool, the chocolate filling that goes between Kit Kat's wafer layers is being prepared. At first glance, this filling may seem identical to the outer chocolate coating, but in reality, it holds a delicious secret: a small amount of crushed Kit Kat pieces. That's right, defective Kit Kat bars that don't meet quality standards are ground into a fine powder and blended into the filling, ensuring that nothing goes to waste while enhancing the flavor of every new bar. The inner chocolate filling has a slightly thinner consistency, almost like chocolate cream. This allows it to seamlessly bind the wafer layers together without causing them to crumble. Meanwhile, the outer chocolate layer is thicker and firmer, providing the bar with structure and protection. Now comes the most mesmerizing transformation, the moment when the crispy wafer layers are draped in a glossy, enchanting coat of chocolate. Each wafer is neatly arranged on a conveyor belt, ready for its special chocolate bath. With its rich brown hue and irresistible aroma, liquid chocolate is delicately poured over the wafers, ensuring an even, flawless coating. 3 layers of chocolate are applied with precision, covering every inch of the wafer to perfection. For the final touch, a wafer layer is placed on top, like the finishing note that completes the masterpiece of Kit Kat. The journey then continues along a modern conveyor belt, where sharp precision blades await. Each candy bar glides smoothly along the belt, heading straight into the cutting zone. Here, high-speed blades swiftly divide the bars into perfectly sized Kit Kats, ensuring each piece is identical in shape and size. This magical transformation happens in an instant. In just a blink of an eye, complete Kit Kat bars appear, neatly arranged on the conveyor belt, ready for the next stage of their journey. After 15 hours of blending and enduring the intense fire trials, the velvety, aromatic liquid chocolate is finally ready to take on its iconic Kit Kat form. Now, behold the spectacular performance of high-speed machines, where hundreds of molds are filled every minute, producing over 200,000 chocolate bars daily. Streams of molten chocolate are precisely poured into molds, forming the glossy, irresistible outer shell of each Kit Kat. Next, the crispy wafers make their way through a mesmerizing chocolate waterfall, ensuring every inch is coated in a flawless, even layer. Watching this process unfold is almost irresistible. The enticing aroma of melted chocolate combined with the crunch of the wafer creates a symphony of flavors, tempting you to reach for a freshly made Kit Kat straight off the production line. Are you familiar with the famous slogan,
"Have a break, have a Kit Kat"?
A simple yet unforgettable phrase that carries extraordinary marketing power and has stood the test of time. Since its debut in 1958, this iconic slogan has become inseparable from the image of the crispy, chocolate-covered wafer bar, serving as an irresistible invitation to consumers. The clever combination of break and Kit Kat not only reflects the satisfying snap of the bar, but also taps into the universal desire to take a break from stress and fatigue. This slogan's phenomenal success has played a key role in establishing Kit Kat as one of the world's most beloved candy brands. But before Kit Kat bars reach consumers and hit supermarket shelves, they must pass through strict quality checks. Any bar with even the slightest flaw, such as air bubbles or cracks, is immediately rejected without hesitation. However, these bars aren't wasted. Instead, they're crushed and repurposed as part of the delicious chocolate filling, ensuring nothing goes to waste. The flawless bars continue their journey to the advanced packaging line, where high-speed robotic arms swiftly wrap each bar in shiny foil. An eye-catching outer wrapper is then added, completing the transformation. And just like that, Kit Kat bars are ready to embark on their journey to consumers. Every day, up to 8 million Kit Kat bars roll out of the factory, making their way to massive warehouses where they wait for orders from around the world. Once orders come in, trucks loaded with Kit Kat bars hit the road, delivering this beloved chocolate delight to people everywhere. If you found this journey fascinating and want to discover more behind-the-scenes secrets about food production, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss an exciting video.